Welcome to this quick demo on how to assemble and use the Red Reactor with your Raspberry Pi. The Red Reactor battery power supply fits directly to all Raspberry Pis that have a 40-pin header and could easily be used with other single-board computers as well. We will also show how you can add a real-time clock to set an alarm, power everything off completely, and use the alarm to push the on button for you. To assemble your Red Reactor, just take your Raspberry Pi and align the header with the pogo pins underneath, and just gently squeeze to make sure that the alignment is correct. Then tighten down the screws on top. Now you can easily access the Pi's header to add all your gadgets. Next, we'll add this little RTC module to enable a timed power on. This is super easy because the Red Reactor provides everything you need to integrate it with your projects, so you can easily customize how you connect the on button. So let's turn it on. With the Red Reactor underneath the Pi, it is easy to wire up the I2C interface, SDA and SCL signals from the Raspberry Pi and connect the battery power and ground from the Red Reactor. The RTC interrupt signal can be wired directly to the on button interface, so the alarm will press that button for you. Here we have the Red Reactor powering a Pi 3 running my radio project with a 4-inch touchscreen that sits nicely on top of the Pi. You can see from my extreme testing video that the power supply can easily deliver over 4 amps with a steady output voltage. You can verify the alarm timekeeping with the clock on the top line here. So we'll run a very simple Python script that sets the current time into the RTC module and sets the alarm for the next whole minute before doing a safe shutdown. A few seconds after the Pi is turned off, you can see that the Red Reactor green LED goes off, which means that the regulator is fully turned off. Our testing has shown that the Red Reactor only consumes a few microamps at this time. Now we wait for the alarm to trigger and push that on button. Well, I hope you didn't get bored waiting for that. So here I go again as Whitesnake is playing on the radio. The alarm signal has turned everything back on. So if your project needs to run, say, every hour to measure something, you could simply wire this RTC to the Red Reactor as shown and run everything off the batteries for a very long time. There you go. Thank you for watching this video. For more information and other videos, please see our website at theredreactor.com.